The Ity and Fancy Cat Show.
Welcome viewers to another exciting interview with our very special guest, the man they call the five-star general, Killer. Welcome. Come Killer, have a seat.
Winfred.
Have a seat, Killer.
You know, say.
Have a seat, no Killer. This is your home, man. Have a seat.
A home, you said, Winfred?
Yes.
A home, you really said?
Yes.
Listen, I'm not gonna sit here again. Never. Listen, when I sees who you interviewed last week, me just say, if I'm in house, I moves out. Out, you cross. You don't know, say, me tell her Sharon Burke, say, a straight hand funny Miller, I carry on me interview them. Listen, hand funny Miller, he, her, cross.
Okay, Killer. Okay, Killer. I understand. But have a seat, Killer. I understand. There just might have been a mistake, right?
Mistake? A mistake is a Winfred. That's a fish steak. Cross. Listen, you.
All right.
Me a cut in the Winfred.
All right, Killer. Come no, Killer, man. Come, Killer. Let's have a decent interview. All right. Were you the one who coined this phrase, borderline, or was it Shibada?
Winfred, you really asked the warlord that? Eh? You really asked the warlord that? Yo, I had the first. Listen. Particular upon the borderline. Yo, cross. Yo, Winfred. I have told you what I came here to tell you, so I cut me a cut.
All right, Killer, come back now, man. Come, Killer, have a seat. All right, Killer. All right, here one. All right, talk to us. All right, talk to us, Killer, about this next guest that's waiting in the wings and the latest Twitter war. Talk to us about
Winfred,
that.
you have some pump on Twitter with us a tweet. Yo!
Like a die.
Yo, listen. Yo, stray gas.
Killer, man. Come here.
On a bad man somewhere in a friend fish. Masquerade punk youth.
Killer,
In your
man.
front, you look up. Masquerade suit. Youth. You see it, Winfred? You see it with your too high, Winfred? You see it? You are sees it? Yo, cross.
See what, Killer?
You know, sister, him coming here, come sit down pan Shibada. Seat. Cross, angry, miserable.
Come on, Killer, man. Killer.
Bank, I sell me a house.
Yo,
Killer.
Die.
My gosh.
It's a brand new iPhone 5. It's not yours. What would you do if you found it?
Hello, sir. I just found the iPhone here. I know you're one. Just find the iPhone here. I know you're one. Are you your phone? You sure?
No, I'm person because the iPhone, yeah. Check the system.
One phone. Oh, yeah, which girl? It just dropped from me. We just find it right as a man one there for your phone. Well, I know. You sure?
iPhone 5. Yeah, man. I know, man.
Alright.
No, hold him first.
We get the security in there, so if somebody call it.
In there, sir? Wait, no, let me see. But it's not what my white code.
That's easy.
No, but I feel?
Yeah, I'm
but me can't just give your phone. Well, I know me can't just give your phone, so tap, no? Can't give me a thing on me again. I find me. So, which girl? So you know say a girl phone?
I know, so I'm standing up and she chatting.
You see when the girl drop the phone right there, sir?
Yeah.
Do you not give me a code first?
We need a code.
Then you must know a code for going on your phone.
We say, I don't need just give me for put on some credit bank over there.
Yeah, but it not open. Why it not open? So you need the
put on the
code.
credit bank.
Which no, well I know me care. You have to give me sitting figure. Are you a phone? So we have a lamp on the phone for like a year. Are you a virgin phone? How we are with you? So we are going. You sure, right, girl?
Actually, that's why I'm going to call her.
All right, we're going to call her. So you know
Find it.
What you want to do with it? What you want to do with it?
I don't know.
You want to give it up?
If you're never honest enough to give it up, you wouldn't talk about it.
Yeah.
Are you a one? Eh?
You don't claim you are not my one, you not be able to come around and get in trouble.
Okay. So you know your code for going there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not finna know your phone? Are you breaking phone?
Breaking phone, I like to.
Huh?
I'm breaking phone and dropping the phone.
No. Well, I know.
I'm breaking phone. Look at this phone, the woman is dropping, man.
Nothing for your phone. Miss, I know you're for one. But just find it right or so. But I know you're one. You sure? I don't know.
Then when I tell you, come in, man.
Well, I know you're so weird. Nobody knows for more business. Where you say?
Take it, take it.
I don't know if you use them my phone. I mean, if you can't give me a thing, I give you. And if I can't, you know what to buy?
No phone.
What make?
Never no phone. Me work with it too.
I mean, if I the phone say, me go give me a thing, man. No, we don't have to make everybody do our business. We can't go one side and talk. Where you go?
I'm breaking phone.
But me can't care about going nobody coming and know who far. So me don't know where you run, boy, you go call girl. If nobody go call no girl, me and you start out the thing. Where you say? Give me a thing and me give you. That's all that. Oh man, that now go can't work. I forgot to go call that. You may say, why code? Because you have to get the code for going on the phone. Why code? I know you're a fool, man.
Yeah, man.
How much you going to give me for give you a thing?
Babe, I give you a thing.
Tell me how much you give me. Nobody for load up the business. I want to tell me.
Listen, I keep me out this house. I'm not go around.
So how me I go get you?
As me done, you can't come. Me can't come here, you go. Let me show you when.
Where we are go?
Out at the front.
Out at Aki place?
Yeah, where me
So you going to give me a thing for you to go to Aki place?
Yeah.
Alright, come in. You want to wait there. Where are you wait now? Hello?
So look if you see a number in it, you can.
No number. Alright then.
Person will
You
call.
want to come with me?
I'm allowed
Alright
to
then,
phone
alright.
Watch out.
No!
You are us.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is Ity.
And that's the Ity and Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize when I watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching Ity.
Fancy Cat.